Hey friend, welcome to my backyard. Allow me to introduce you to my newest upgrade, this 6-burner propane gas barbecue grill from Sophia and William. I am seriously impressed. This has been such a big step up from my old grill, and I can already tell it's going to get a ton of use in my backyard. It already has, actually. First off, the size. It's pretty big, and it's a lot bigger than my last grill. With 6 burners and a side burner, it gives you over 740 square inches of cooking space. You can cook a lot at once. I've already done burgers, chickens, steak, Phillies, and veggies, and I still have room for more. But my favorite part is that it works so perfectly for something that's quick and simple, and I can just pull it out and wheel it right back into the garage. What really stood out right away to me is how evenly it cooks. This grill runs pretty hot, which I love, but it's consistent, so you know what you're getting. Everything I've made so far has come out juicy and evenly cooked. The dual function cast iron grates are also a favorite feature. One side is for classic grill marks and the other side is like a flat griddle, which I used for Philly cheesesteaks. So you can do pancakes, tortillas, vegetables, whatever, all on the same grill. Cleanup is way easier than I expected, and the removable drip pan saves so much time. And the upgraded enamel chamber holds the heat perfectly while wiping clean with almost no effort. Overall, I really like this grill. It looks really sleek and high quality, and not only that, it performs really well. I have to say, this grill has absolutely upgraded my backyard cooking setup. If you're ready and looking for a reliable grill, but you're not sure, I can recommend you this one. Happy grilling, friends!